Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain to you Android phone won't restart. Restarting a phone may be a common action that users will take after using the phone for a long time or when they find that the phone is stuck or delayed. Restarting can effectively alleviate the situation of phone stuck, delay, etc. It will refresh your phone's operating system and fix many performance-related problems and failures in Android. If your Android phone won't reboot, our user experience may plummet, and people may be eager to get their Android phones back to running quickly. If you can't solve the problem of Android phone will not restart, let's explore why it can't restart and how to fix an Android phone that won't restart. This video is suitable for mobile phone models including Huawei, Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, HTC. Please watch this video patiently, and hope to help you solve the problem of Android phone doesn't restart. Before trying to fix an Android phone that won't reboot, let's first understand why won't my Android phone restart. The reason why can't restart Android phone may be inconsistent due to different Android models. For example, the power button is stuck by paper scraps, too much dust or other foreign objects, resulting in the inability to restart after pressing the power button. A downloaded software may also cause a system crash or conflict, resulting in can't reboot Android phone. The operating system update failed or the installation was incomplete, and the phone may not start properly. Sudden power outages or other unexpected shutdowns may cause Android phone won't restart properly. It may also be that the phone battery is simply exhausted. The phone battery is completely exhausted, which can also cause the phone to not boot and restart. It may also be insufficient storage space. The worst result is hardware failure. Hardware failures such as power button damage or connection problems may cause Android phone not restarting. You can think about whether your Android phone may have any of the above scenarios. Now, how to fix Android phone not rebooting? Let us tell you the answer. We have found several simple and quick ways to solve Android phone not rebooting. It is not complicated to solve the problem of a phone that cannot be restarted. Please be more patient and try the following methods. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to check and clean the power button. When Android phone is not restarting, you should first check if the power button is stuck or blocked. When your power button is stuck by a foreign object, you may not be able to complete the restart, so you need to check and clean the power button to confirm whether the problem of Android phone not restarting is caused by foreign objects. If there is debris or dirt around the power button, clean the area around the power button in time to ensure that the area around the power button is clean. Method 2 is to try hard restarting the phone. Hard restart plays a vital role in solving various problems. It can solve software failures, clear memory and update failure troubleshooting. This includes the problem of Android phone is not restarting. Please try to hard reset your Android phone. Please press and hold the combination key of the phone to force restart. The combination key of the Samsung phone forced restart in the video is the power button and the volume down button. Please press and hold the combination key of your phone to force restart for 10 to 15 seconds. When the phone brand logo appears on the screen, you can let go, and then your phone will automatically restart. Method 3 is to set automatic restart. Fortunately, some Android phone manufacturers have included automatic restart functions in their devices. Configuring your phone to automatically restart based on a manually set schedule can temporarily solve the problem. This allows the phone to automatically shut down and restart at specific time periods. To set up automatic restart, open the Settings app and tap General Management. Tap Reset and select Auto Restart. Alternatively, you can move the Auto Restart switch to the right and tap Auto Restart to configure an auto restart schedule. After that, after making sure Auto Restart is on, set the time you want to automatically restart and wait patiently. Method 4 is to check and clean up the storage space. Insufficient storage space may cause Android phone is not restarting. The remaining storage space cannot support the normal operation and restart of the Android phone. So please check if your storage space is sufficient. To check and clean up the storage space, open the phone settings and find and tap General Management in the phone settings. After entering the General Management interface, tap Storage. In the storage interface, check if your space is less than 10% or less. At this time, please find and tap the Clean Now button to clean the cache. After the cleanup is completed, restart the phone again and check if it resumes normal operation. Method 5 is to charge the phone. If your phone still won't power on and restart, it may just be that the phone battery is drained. A completely drained phone battery can also cause Android phone is not rebooting. To avoid this problem, try charging your Android phone for at least 3 hours before trying to restart your Android phone again. Method 6 is to start your phone in safe mode. If the Android phone restart not working problem persists after trying the above methods, it may be caused by a certain software. To confirm whether it is the software that is causing the phone to not restart, you can put your Android phone into safe mode. Safe mode only runs the basic Android operating system and will not run any third-party applications. Any application you install will not run in safe mode. To enable safe mode on your Android phone, follow these steps. Press and hold the power button until the shutdown screen is displayed. Tap and hold the shutdown icon on the shutdown screen until the screen displays the safe mode option. After safe mode appears, tap safe mode. After tapping, your phone will restart to return to the home screen in safe mode. Please be patient. Try to restart your Android phone again in safe mode. If the restart is successful, then there is a problem with a recently downloaded application. You need to delete the downloaded software one by one and verify it. Method 7 is to check for Android system updates. An outdated operating system or a failed operating system update or incomplete installation may cause Android phone reboot not working. Sometimes the developers of the Android operating system may have discovered and fixed this problem, so you need to check if there is a pending Android operating system update or a failed update or incomplete operating system installation. Please click Settings, find System and click to enter the system interface, then click Software Update or System Update, where you can see if there is an unprocessed system update or a failed update prompt. If so, please install it immediately. After waiting for the update to be installed, your phone may restart automatically. Please continue to wait patiently. Updating the operating system sometimes takes a lot of time. In order to ensure that the system update is not interrupted, please connect the charger to the Android phone to ensure that there is enough power to support it. Method 8 is to restore the factory settings. If you have tried all the above solutions and none of them work, you may want to consider restoring your phone to factory settings. This will delete all data and settings on the phone. Therefore, if you need the data in your Android phone, please back up important data before restoring the factory settings. To restore your Android phone to factory settings, first click on your phone's settings, then find and click General Management. Find the Reset option in the General Management interface, click the Reset option, then find and click Restore Factory Settings. At this point, your Android phone should automatically restart, so please wait patiently for your phone to restart. After the reset process is complete, your phone will restart and all data will be erased. Here, as long as it is not a hardware-related problem, the Android phone fails to restart problem should be solved. Method 9 is to seek help from a professional. We hope that any of the above methods can help you fix the Android phone not restarting problem. But if none of them work for you, you may need to send your phone to an official service center for hardware inspection or repair. That's all for today's video. If you find this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment section. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck.